Can you guess how much time it could take to learn something new, possibly a new skill? A year? A month? A week? Can you believe it could take just 20 hours to learn a new skill? We are going to talk about that in this video. Hello everyone, I'm Jonisha Arvind. I'm a life coach and a counseling psychologist and founder of Joe's Hope Center. First of all, why do we need to learn something new? We all know that learning is inevitable, it is a continuous process. At times, it is required for us to learn certain skills in our life to achieve our goals. For example, if you are a student, you need to learn your subjects, you need to crack your exams. You may also need to learn certain skills. It could be acquiring a new language or a musical instrument or some physical skill for your own growth, for your higher studies, to reach your purpose, your goals, and so on. If you are an employee, you may need to develop your competency or skills to grow in your career, to reach your goals, or even to sustain the job that you have. Even otherwise, neurological studies have shown that learning helps our brain and mind to stay healthy, active, young, and even reduce stress. Therefore, learning something new or acquiring a new skill is a healthy habit which keeps our mind healthy. Coming to the time taking to learn a new skill, Kaufman theory states that just approximately 20 hours is sufficient to learn a new skill, that too at a decently good level. Please note, I am not talking about expert level or mastery over a skill. It would take thousands of hours of practice. However, to acquire a skill at a good level just requires 20 hours with dedication and practice. Let me share my own real life incident. I was scared of water, especially swimming. During floods, I used to wonder how I would be tackled situation. It was irrational fear anyway, but I wanted to get over it. So I enrolled to learn swimming, and they said they could teach me swimming in 15 hours. That is 15 days, 1 hour each day. And I could practice over the weekend, taking an extra hour. I wanted to try, so I started the class. Initially, it was very difficult. Even throughout, it was difficult because initially water went into my nose, into my mouth, into my head, of course, and fatigue, pain due to the exertion. All this had to be overcome. I didn't lose hope. I was able to carry on till the 15th day. On the 15th day, they asked me to dive into the pool and swim. I was scared. Anyway, there were people to help me with picking up some courage. I jumped into the pool, and when I got out, I saw that I swam 50 feet and reached the end of the pool. I was able to call myself a decent swimmer who can survive. Now I can swim 3 different strokes. I'm a pretty decent swimmer, not an expert, but okay, and I no longer have fear towards swimming or water. The first 20 hours is very crucial while learning because it is a time where we could gain confidence and believe that we will be able to achieve that goal and attain that skill, or we could lose hope and we would fail in that task. Even if you want to become an expert in a skill, the first 20 hours is crucial. Only that 20 hours decide whether you want to become an expert or not. Therefore, to learn a new skill, we need a lot of perseverance, patience, commitment, and most importantly, a lot of practice. I would like to conclude this video saying, practice makes a man perfect and Commitment is the key. Hope you find this video useful. Please do like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel Joe's Hope Center. I am Jonisha Arvind, a counseling psychologist and founder of Joe's Hope Center. Thank you.